Well, the Bexar County Medical Examiner's Office also accepted the task of processing the dead from Uvalde right after the shooting that day.
Yeah, it took on that task after Uvalde County officials asked for help because Uvalde County doesn't have a medical examiner. And in a rare interview, Bexar County's chief medical examiner sat down with you, Marvin, to could she talk about this at all?
She can't at this point. They have to, get permission from the justice of the peace. Dr. Kimberly Molina told me they basically can't talk on the record about this. So I asked them about the most obvious question to me. Processing such a scene, what effect does that have on their mental health? Especially dealing with the pandemic and then moving into all of this mass death. Well, Molina says that the past 3 years have been difficult for her staff because they are still dealing with escalating death numbers. But she says rising caseloads have had an impact across the country in offices like hers. People who are leaving or retiring and trying to replace them is another challenge. A scene like Uvalde means that a team of death investigators and examiners have to take on the task of determining how each victim died. Now, even though the office has a rigorous process to get the job and people know what they're signing up for, everyone is still human. Molina is praising her staff for getting through times that may have been overwhelming.
Take the events of the last 3 years, they've been amazing. They've come to work, they've been eager to work. They know what their duty is, and they really have an amazing work ethic. They're here day in and day out. Now, that being said, it still takes a toll. We've lost staff because of the caseload.
The latest death report available from her office is from 2021. The ME handled 3,467 cases. That's for Bexar County and other jurisdictions. The office is still working on a report for last year. They've been doing all of this while being understaffed. They have 6 doctors for death examination when national standards require 10.
This is really quite eye-opening, Marvin. Thank you.
All right.